This video is created for educational purposes only. All content is intended to inform and educate viewers. Hi, I am Sakita Nanda HS, using AI tool to educate native healing treatment. In diabetic patients, solar plexus chakra gets affected. The solar plexus chakra is located in the upper abdomen, around the area of the stomach, and is associated with the pancreas, which is the organ directly involved in insulin production and regulation. This chakra is linked to personal power, self-esteem, and digestive processes. The pancreas, which plays a crucial role in diabetes, is located in the area governed by the solar plexus chakra. This chakra is associated with metabolic and digestive systems. The solar plexus chakra is connected to emotions such as self-esteem, confidence, and personal power. Imbalances in this chakra are thought to contribute to feelings of lack of control and powerlessness, which can be prevalent in chronic conditions like diabetes. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.